India's first robotic parking system is soon coming to Mumbai. Aakruti Sky Park, a 20-story robotic car parking system in the posh locality of Breach Candy, is a state-of-the-art facility that will operate absolutely on robotics technology. It will have no human interference. The Sky Park has been conceptualized and executed by the Aakruti City Limited. The Sky Park can accommodate a total of 240 cars at one time.
The robotic carousel is the one where the car is parked and where the car is parked at the entrance, and the one that pivots around like a CD turntable and faces the elevator to put the car into the car park. The next major aspect of this technology is the robotic carriage. The robotic carriage is a completely computer-controlled carriage which has robotic arms. It has a robotic treadmill that allows for the car to automatically get loaded onto the carriage. And then the carriage moves vertically as well as laterally to allow for the car to be parked in any of 240 slots on 20 floors. And the last component of this whole thing is the computer sensors.
The technology and equipment for the robotic car park has been provided by several international firms. According to Aakruti City, the Sky Park is built considering the sustainable requirement of the city.
We start with the lowest floors. So we will minimize the power consumed for the first set of cars that come in. Now if the structure is open, it would be wrong to send the car to the 20th floor. So we will start with the first floor, the second floor, the third floor, the fourth floor, and so on. So the power usage is pretty minimal, except when you actually have to start going to the 20th floor, when the power usage will be higher.
The project is built on a piece of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai's land. As an outcome of the tendering process, Aakruti City Limited was awarded the contract on a build-operate transfer basis. It will be maintained by Aakruti for 5 years and would then be handed to BMC. The parking charges are also reasonable since the municipal authorities have put a ceiling on it.
The beauty of this whole thing is the rates are set not by us or not by any private party, it is set by BMC. And as part of the tender, BMC has set rates similar to any of the other pay and park, footpath parking type of rates, which is 10 to 15 rupees is the typical rate depending on the location in the city.
The ever-growing population of vehicles in urbanized India has put immense pressure on the city's parking spaces and road systems. This Sky Park in the city will help solve traffic problems in Mumbai. With provision for accommodating 240 cars inside, it claims to free 1.25 kilometers of precious drivable road. In Mumbai, with camera person Sujita Mahapatra, this is Komal Thakur for Realistic Television.